Decorating for fall doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Here are 3 simple Dollar Tree DIYs that can add elements of nature and rustic hues to your existing decor. I'm starting off with a hardcover book, a piece of faux leather, and tacky glue, all from Dollar Tree. I used the paper book cover as a template, and then I used generous amounts of tacky glue to decoupage the leather onto the back and front of my hardcover book. Now that I've covered all 3 of my books, I then added some Dollar Tree stickers, ribbon, and rub-on transfers. Adding the rub-on letters to the leather did require some patience. I did end up using some of the leftover letters to fill in some of the empty spaces that did not rub off from the original transfer. I continued decorating my books until I was happy with the final results, and here's the finished look. These were super cute fall coffee table books that cost me around $15. Instead of purchasing my fall wreath this year, I've decided to make one with my own unique twist. To get started, I'm using a Dollar Tree 18-inch wreath form and burlap ribbon. At the very end, I made a small loop, and I'll show you how I use this loop a little later on in the video. I purchased 5 bunches of these Dollar Tree maple leaves, and I'll add 4 of the bunches to the base of my wreath form. Next, I added 1 bunch of this very unique eucalyptus to the inside and outside perimeter of my wreath. I then added 2.5 bunches of marigolds. As you can see, I'm adding them about a 1/2 inch apart. I then added the berries from my maple leaves in between each of the marigolds before adding my final bunch of the maple leaves to my wreath. I saved one of these bunches for the end just so that I would have something to fill in any spaces. And now for my loop. You probably assumed that I would use the loop to hang my wreath, but it's actually quite the opposite. First, I added a Dollar Tree bow to the front of my loop. I then used the inside of my loop to hold my battery pack because, yep, you guessed it, I'm adding LED lights to my door wreath. I found these wire lights in my craft closet, so I'm not sure where I purchased them from, but they do have a 6-hour on and off timer, and they were perfect for this project. They are a bit longer than the Dollar Tree wire lights, but you could use those for this project as well. I really love how this LED fall wreath turned out, so much so that I made a second wreath using different Dollar Tree florals, and I think they both turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. You can make the same wreath at home for around $20. Here's an elegant fall-themed mirror box that you can make using all Dollar Tree items. I'm using Dollar Tree glittered fern for this project, but to help with the glitter fallout, I'm adding 2 coats of clear enamel that I already had at home. To complete the project, I added Dollar Tree velvet pumpkin clips, and here's the finished look. I think this mirror box is absolutely beautiful and well worth the $15 cost. What are your fall colors this year? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye.